If you have just migrated from VerticalResponse Classic, you have a choice between using the new email editor or using the graphical editor you were used to. This video will show you how to access the graphical editor. To access the editor, select Create Email Campaign under the Messages tab, then click on Import HTML. You will be redirected to the graphical editor where you can start creating your email. To insert an image into your email, start by selecting the image icon. One of the differences between the classic and the new version is you can now choose from our gallery of images, graphics, and GIFs. To find an image, use the search box to narrow down the results. To insert a stock image, graphic, or GIF, hover over your selection and click Upload. The image will be available under the Saved Images tab. If you uploaded a new image, it will automatically be added to your saved images. Hover over the image you would like to insert and click Copy to place it into your post. To resize the image, right-click it and select Image Properties. When you're finished with your edits, click the Subject tab to add your subject line, from name, and email addresses. When your email is complete, the last step is to choose who will receive it. After selecting your contact list, you can either send your email now or schedule it for a later date. When you're ready, select Send in the top right corner. You may also want to take advantage of the follow-up feature, which resends the email to the contacts that didn't open your original email. For more information, you can visit our help section.